that looks like, how to fix these guest folio amounts after checkout. So you're going to start here in the checked out screen. You'll locate the guest reservation and select the Folio tab. For this parking charge, we're going to right-click and select Adjustment. This allows us to refund an amount from the original amount. So it's going to be $5 that we refund from the original 15, and we add our reason saying that this was a posting error. When you click OK, what you'll see here is that a new line item is added, adjusting that $5 and the associated tax back. Now for these phone calls, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'll select reverse instead. So this means I'm going to remove the charge completely. We'll say that that is also due to a posting error. And we need to do this for each of those charges. So that's the first phone call charge, and I'll repeat that process. Right-click and select reverse, add the reason, and select OK. So those charges are now gone from the guest view, but we do still have this outstanding balance owed back to the guest. So you'll click Post Payment, which will bring up the payment method on file for the guest, and note that this amount is going to be negative. When you click OK Exit, this is now going to refund that amount back to the guest credit card. And here in the guest folio, I can now see that that amount is refunded and the folio is balanced. Now, if you do want to see those reverse charges, you can go over here to Folio 9, and you will see that those charges were moved off of the guest viewing folio over to Folio 9 with their reversal. Great. So the guest would see this nice, clean folio view. So just to recap, to fix that issue for the guest, what we ended up doing was cleaning up essentially that guest folio by removing those parking charges completely and posting this adjustment for that posting error, making sure that that guest also gets the total refund owed back to them.